the governor has no security from the national government. And when we have the GSU officers coming to the governor's residence without any proper explanation, honestly, Mr. Speaker, as leaders, we have to be concerned.
Magega yokobase omutimo mwenge nigege karogia bunge ya Kisii Sikiria rero kianya kabagi kwiranirwa ningana yokabakwa abo bisaba abanyanyimbo bagiye siasa cyo mugabana sensemo ye stadium Rich Kurigoro ya leta ribirira litindi asubone nsemo yaba MCA bakorawa no mokonyi bo monogeribwe bunge asebagikiriye ekorikyo nakone mawaziri b'uburini bwime Professor Kithure Kindiki ucyokagaya ningane yo erikurwa machibu nasiki mugabana bwe county ya Kisii muske Simba rati agochandwa n'abanyanyimba se bigo bamumocha mu chumba South Mugrango muske Silvanos Osoro.
This was an act of impunity which goes contrary to the Constitution of Kenya 2010. It begs the question, why would the government send truckloads of GSU officers from Nairobi to harass the governor and his officers instead of dispatching them to banditry prone areas like Northeastern and Baringo? We hereby ask the Interior CS, Professor Kindiki, to come out clear and explain to Kenyans why they are victimizing Governor Simba because of his political inclinations. At the same time, we condemn South Mugrango MP, Honorable Silvanos Osoro, for just stamping on the legal police operations in Kisii County. As a member of Parliament from Kisii, Osoro should concentrate on his oversight role on the national government, and especially on the rising cost of living, which is affecting all Kenyans as of today.
Tunataka kujua ni nani huyu alitoa maombi kwenda kwa serikali ya kwamba Kisii iko hadharini ili waweze kuleta hao askari wafanya fujo. Tafadhali mimi ningehimiza Raymond Omoro, ni kama amelalia kazi, asiwache maafisa wake wakuja wakatumike kizembe, kwa sababu hapa Kisii tuna amani.
Nigo baganire mugabana kwewa chinga kicinyororo iri wakorega siasa ubwikirano nasabaganyo ndubwensi obwato mu cyano ni governor koikamutwe we assembly yo iri kunyakabaga kubeka engana yaye
totuara masikani ase county government ekeramo ko kolegas ekiyara to bati obisiga iga county commander no bali mu governor no hale mu county commissioner no hale bagwanda kaba uniform dingana ki emechando nere bosongo bamanye ko leta basikali ku national government bamanye ko choro kero mu ko jeshi yu iga violence jaringe bosongo onye nebi bago jeshi waje ko yibago sisi tete ko criminals bosongo ega siasa idinere die kero mo ko leta jeshi yu iga onye mutageta ko tebereli mu governor ito ngata kolegas egere mmato ko bintu bimoja bakora moko nyara onde mwensi ugwatu le no mu governor bosongo tigalete impeachment motion ya assembly to yeti ororo to binyo kanyororo inere yo itu ko ko rusi mu governor ororo tadi national government
sensemo yabo abo MC abachore nigo bagikire kare kigoro askire bagoteba no kubekira abonjiri abakabakana muri abangina oboba ekrabakora abo bisa abanyanyimbo.
As women, we feel so bad because Kenya Kwanza government, their manifesto was to help to empower people from grassroots to upper. And now we are fearing over Mama Mboga. Like yesterday, most of our women were unable to carry their own business. So as women, we are here calling our leaders, especially our MCAs in Kisii County, to fear God so that we can serve this county.
Gingo reporteria TV Yoyo Minto, Korwase ege karoke bunge ya Kisii, Ritariane Pethuel Machin.